I'm now at the situation that I have cast on my stitches. I've knitted 3 rows, knitted and purled. I've got one side is all black and one side is all green, and I'm ready to actually start putting the pattern in. So to actually seed the shape, what I want to do is put a blob which is right in the middle of the row. So I want 2 stitches on this black bit here, and because the black is the side facing me when this is on a left-hand needle, I'm now going to think of the black as being the front of this piece. I'm going to think of the green as being the back, because that's what's facing me at the moment. I'm going to start the pattern. That's my front from here on in. Black is front to me for this particular piece. So with this, if I want 2 green stitches showing on the front right in the middle, I've got 12 stitches, 12 double stitches along here, and I want 2 double stitches in green in the middle. So 12 take away 2 is 10. Half of 10 is 5, so if I do 5, 2, 5, I should have those 2 middle ones being a different colour. So I'm going to do 5 double stitches. This is the only counting I think that I need to do all the way through. I'm going to do 5 double stitches just as before, so black on the front and green on the back, and then I'm going to swap to put 2 greens on the front. So to do that, let's just get everything wound around my fingers ready. 5 doubles just as before, so 5 where I'm doing black knitted, both in front, green purled. It's a bit loopy, never mind, do like that. 1 double, oops, 2 doubles, 3 doubles, 'oopsie, knit black, pearl green, knit black, pearl green, and I think that's 5 doubles. I'm going to double check, never mind. So both behind, because if I get this wrong then everything goes wrong. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blacks I can see, black and greens. So now I want to start bringing greens to the front. So the next is a knit, so I'm going to knit, but instead of knitting the black, I'm going to knit with the green. So I pull the green through instead of the black, both in front, and now I purl the black instead of the green. So I'm doing knit purl as before, but I'm doing the opposite colours. That was 1 double being the opposite way around. Now the next double is also the opposite way around, so I knit the green and I purl the black. Pull that green out the way, purl the black, and now I've got 2 stitches which are the other way round. So I'm going black, green, black, green, then suddenly green, black, and I've done my 2. So I now go back to what we were doing before, which is knit the black with the black, purl the green with the green. So there should be 5 of those, and then that should be the end of all the counting bits that I need to do. All the rest is by algorithm. Knit, purl, knit, purl. The green's getting a bit loose actually. Knit, purl. Now on my last 2, so I'm going to do those as slips. Slip the black, whoop, back over, up, get over, green between, slip the green, and there's my row done. So you can see the bit of peculiarity in there. There's 2 little bits of green showing, but they'll show a lot more later. Then changing round, so I'm going to have my knit colour over here, please. Oops. twisted. Just untwist now, then it's less hassle later. So now I've got the back facing me, because I've decided the black is the front and green is the back. So with the back facing me, I am now going to, I don't need to do any counting, I just do exactly what I've got as a stitch is what I do next. So I'm going to go knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, but when I knit into a green, I will knit green. When I purl into a green, I will purl green. When I knit into a black, I will knit black. When I purl into a oh God, just do what comes. Right, okay, just try it. I'll show you. It's much better showing you. So the first thing I'm doing is always a knit, and it's green, so I knit green. Both in front of the needles. And this is a purl, and it's black, so I purl black. Both behind, this is green, and I'm on knit, so I knit green. Both in front, this is a black stitch I'm going into, so I purl black. Both behind, this is a knit, so I knit, and it's a green, so I knit green. Then a purl, it's a black stitch I'm going into, so I use the black yarn. Knit, it's a green stitch, so I knit green. Purl is a black stitch, so I purl black. Knit is a green stitch, so I knit green. Black, so I purl black. Now the next is a knit, but notice here, hang on, I am going to be knitting into a black stitch, so I use the black yarn in the black. Both in front, I'm now purling, but it's a green stitch, so I purl the green. Now I've got a black, so I'm using black, and I'm on a knit, so I knit. I'm purling next, it's a green stitch, so I purl the green. Now it's just knit, I go into the stitch, oh it's a green stitch, so I knit the green. Next is a purl, I'm going into a black, so I purl the black. And so on, and now I've gone past that bit that was different, so it's all going to be plain sailing from here on to the end. Knit, purl, green, black, green, black. Every pair of stitches, one green, one black, but sometimes it's green, black, and sometimes it's black, green. Last two stitches I am not going to knit or purl them, I'm going to slip them over, but both behind, slip the stitch over, that over there, and the yarn goes between the needles, so that's sticking out the front, which we then turn around and it becomes the back. So that's now in a situation where you can see those little V's. There should be little V's. It's got a bit twisted, a little V, honest. May not be the best ever one, but it'll do. I think we're okay. We'll find out for the next bit. So I'm now on the front, because the black is the front for me. And what do we do next? Well, I want black to be my knit colour, so I'm going to pull the black over to the right, because I feel happier that way. And I'm going to go to my algorithm of counting stitches. So this is the new bit. Black towards me, and I'm now doing the algorithm. How long's this been? It may be best actually to do this in my next video. I think I'll make these lots of short videos. This is the algorithm. It's going to be the next video.